that is cross reference, insert caption and the cross reference. I think we have already done. Okay. So here is the next option: mark entry. Mark entry. We just learn about index. What is the meaning of index? If you want to just add some important word within your dictionary, similarly just follow this process in this index process. Firstly, just double click on the word for the word selection, and after selecting the word, just click on mark entry. When you click on mark entry, it will appearing like this, and just click on mark. Okay, and just close it. And similarly, just repeat different words by double clicking mark and click on mark, and you just mark more than 4 or 5 words. And after that, you can easily observe the use of this option. Just click on mark and double click on the word and click on mark. Okay. If you want to remove these symbols, that is the paragraph symbol or tab. If you want to just remove this, just press Control Shift plus 8. Control Shift plus 8 is a shortcut key to remove non-printable item. Non-printable item. Okay. You can also say hide. Hide non-printable item. Shortcut key Control CTRL plus Alt plus 8. 8 is a number. Okay. When you click there, and when you click again or press again, it will appearing like this manner. And if you just repeat this process, it will hide. Okay. And after that, just place your cursor where you want to just insert the index. Here's the option is insert index. After mark entry, you just go for the insert index, and when you click on insert index, there are different properties available in the box. Just check it, and after that you can choose the tab leaders, and after that, that is a format. There are different types of format. You can choose any one. Here we choose fancy. When you click on fancy, you will get the format like this, and after that just click on OK. Or you can also choose the number of columns. If you want more than 2 columns, then you can go for this option. Okay, so here we use 2 columns. Just click here. If you want 3, just click on here, becomes 3. Here we choose 2 columns. And when you click on OK, you will get the all the letters in alphabetically order. For example, here we added these words, that is P and R. If you arrange all the alphabetical order, you just mark, and it will automatically gives you in an index form, and you just type the heading, that is index. Understood?
Yes, sir.
As dictionary, all the typical words and all the important words, if you want to mark, then go for the index option, and you just make a summary of all the word in the index form in alphabetically order. In alphabetical order. Okay. So that is the use of insert index. If you want to just add another word, similarly just click on the word, just double click, and after this just click on mark index entry. It's shortcut key Alt Shift plus X. Okay. You can also mark by double click on the word and just press Alt Shift plus X. It will also a shortcut key of mark index. Okay. And after that, if you want to just remove this symbol, paragraph symbol, just press Control Shift plus 8. It will remove. And if you want to just update this index, just press your cursor on this particular location, or selecting this, yeah, double click here. And here's the option is update index. When you click on update index, it will add the new word as you mark, that is easier and reading, remember. Okay. All the words comes like this man. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here is the all about which option, that is insert index. And insert index shortcut key means mark index entry shortcut key. So mark entry shortcut key Alt Shift then X. Okay. Clear
Yes,
concept?
sir. Yes,
Let's go
sir.
to the next option. Here the next option is when you click on reference, is the last option, that is the table of authorities. What is the meaning of table of authority? If you have some important lines in your document, if you want to just highlight all the content in a summarized form at the end of the document, and where you want the place your cursor, and just insert all the table of authorities. For example, if you this is the import line for me, or you can also mark another line as well. After selecting this, just click on mark citation. After clicking on this, it will add when you click on mark. Similarly, just close it and repeat the process on another paragraph or another line. After selecting this, just click on mark citation and click on mark and close it. And that is the last line. Select it and click on mark citation and click on mark and close it. Okay. And just remove, if you want to just remove these tab symbols, not printable item, just press Ctrl Shift plus 8 to remove. And after that, just place your cursor where you want to just insert a table of authorities. Just place your cursor and click on insert table of authorities. When you click on insert table of authorities, you will get the option similar as you want. You can choose anyone. Format, here we choose any, here we choose formal format, and it will appear like this. If you can also change the format by using this, you can choose anyone, and after that just clicking on OK, you will get the table of authorities in this type. You can see easily all the marked sentences comes in that method, and by which we can easily observe the important lines and with the page number, and we can easily find out the line on which line it is present. Clear concept? That is
Yes, sir.
mark citation. Here is the next option, that is update table. It is similar as update index. We have just follow the same process. After selecting some line, click on mark citation and click on mark. And after that, just close it and just after removing this line, this tab, just press Ctrl Shift plus 8 and place your cursor in this particular paragraph or line. And after that, just click on update table. After updating, it will also include in your case study. For example, just see here, last line also come. Clear concept? These are all
Yes, sir.
differences, and I think it is completed table of content, footnote, search, citation and bibliography, caption, index, and table of authorities. Do you have any query?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, go to the next option. Here's the next option is that is design. I have already told you or not?
No, sir.
No. Here are the three options available in that is page background. There's three options that is comes in page background block. First one is the page border. When you click on page border, here's the different types of border styles available for you. Here's the next option, that is when you click on box, it will appearing like this outline structure. And if you want to just change the thickness of this, just select it and place your cursor like this. Okay. And after placing your cursor, you will get the outline in this manner. And after that, if you want to change the color of this particular border, just click here and select any color as you want. Okay. And when you click on OK, you will get the outline or border of your page in this manner. Clear? If you want to just change the border in with the art,
Yes, sir.
border, and here is the option is that is the art. When you click on art, you will get different types of symbols available for the border. You can select anyone according to your requirement. So here we choose like this and click on OK. When you click on OK, you will get these types of style with your page. And here's the next option is width. What is the width? It's provided thickness. When we increase the width, it means the size of the shape will increase and it will appearing like much heavier. Okay. If you want to just remove the one side border, just click on this. It will remove from this side. When you click on left side, it will remove from the left side. Okay. So by clicking, you can just the border, or if you want to just make the border, just click on here. You will get the two-side border, not the upward and downward. Okay, it will provide the different types of customization with your border. Okay, here the same option, when you click here, it will hide, it will show. Similarly, it will show, it will hide. Clear? And it will custom border, it comes automatically in the custom section. Okay. And after that, if you change the simple borders, click on border, and here is the option is choose anyone like this. And after that, you just want the shadow of this particular border. Just click here. You will get the border shadow in this manner. When you click on shadow, and after that, just click on OK. You will get the border shadow in this manner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next option, when you click here, here's the next option. If you want to just border on the first page of your document, not the second or further page. Just click here, and here the option is the first page only. When you click on here, first page only, you will get the border on the first page only, not on the another or other page. Just repeat the process. Just click here and click on first page only. First page only, and click on OK. Okay, just repeating. I'm just repeating each process. Okay, just place your cursor in this particular section, and after that, just click on page border. And here's the first page only. Click here and click on OK. Just see there. Firstly, just remove the border from here and click on OK. And just repeat the process. Just click here. And is the first page only, and just click on box and choose any border and click on this and click on OK. Okay, just see there. The border
Okay,
comes,
sir.
and the previous one border comes with that, because it is a different section I already created. That's why this problem comes. Okay, we can also use different types of borders by using this option. And here we take a new document, then you can easily observe. Just press Ctrl+N for the new document. Okay, and here we can easily observe the border forming like this. Just see here. If we use here the border, just click on design, and here's the page border. And when you click on box, and here we use only first page only, and click on OK. You can see there border will appear on the first page, not on the another pages. Clear? And if
Yes, sir.
you want to just border except first page, here's the next option available there. That is the all except first page. When you click here, you will get the border except first page. Okay, like this. On first page, there is no border, and on second and onward, border will appear. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next option is the page color. What is of page color? When you click on page color, you can easily change the color of the page. You can choose any one color. And if you want to just make attractive colors, choose attractive color by using more color option. Here the more color option, you can also adjust the color shade, and here's a different shade available in this particular section, and click on OK. You will get the different shade. If you want to just more than two colors shade, just you have to go the fill effect. When you click on fill effect, there are 4 types of fill effect available there. That is gradient for single color, 2 color, or preset. Here we choose 2 color, and you can choose 2 color anyone. You can set the set of your page color according to your requirement, and click on the different types of styles available there. You can choose anyone and click on OK. You will get the same effect like this. There's a whiter section comes in the center, and yellow section comes at the outside of your page border. And if you want to just another change, is click on fill effect, and here's option is texture. When you want to just change the texture, just click here. Here are different types of texture available there, and click on OK. You will get a texture like this. That is rocky texture. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
here you can choose different types of texture as well, and click on OK. So there are different types of formats for the background. You can easily observe that is the texture of textile texture. Next one, when you click on fill effect, here's the third option available, that is pattern. You can also change the pattern. You can also change the pattern of this particular section. Just click on and click on OK. You will get the pattern like this. Okay. You can
Yes,
change
sir.
the color of pattern as well. When you click here, and here the different colors you can choose like this, and click on here. And after that, just choose anyone and click on OK. You will get the these types of format. Okay, these are texture like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go with the last option of this or fill effect. Here's the next option is that a picture. When you click on picture, here are different types of picture you can also select. Just for example, here is the option. We have an option that is select picture. You can just click here and just choose your picture from your file. Just click on this. You can select your picture. For example, if you want to type this types, just click on and click on insert. Or click on OK. You will get the border like this. Okay, that is the border appearing as an image. When you click on fill effect, and the option is picture. Okay, you can also remove this by using, here's the option is no color. When you click on no color, it will remove the page color. Okay, and next one is the watermark. What is the use of watermark? When you click on watermark, here's the option is different types of, for example, do not copy, confidential. You can choose anyone for the watermark. Here we choose custom watermark because we want to just add our text for the watermark. Just click on custom watermark. And here you just click on text. Click on text. And here's the option is just click on ASAP and type your text. svsdpi.com and click on apply. You can easily observe the watermark come on this particular section, that is SVS Okay, it is appearing or not?
Yes, sir.
You can also change the color of this particular watermark. Just click here on watermark and you can just change your color by using this and click on OK, apply. It will appearing like this manner. Okay, if you want to just change the If you want to just change the watermark, just click on picture and here's option is select picture. When you click on select picture, you can also add the picture as a watermark from the file. Just click on and you can select it and click on insert. And after that, just click on apply and okay, you will get a watermark image with your page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Observable or not?
Sir, it is
No. Just click on here, custom watermark, and here's the next option. That is washout, remove washout. When you click on remove washout, it will appearing normalized like this. Okay.
okay, sir.
So these are the options by which you just changing all the content from this manner. And here's option is custom watermark. And if you want to just remove this image, just click on remove watermark. Here we change the color of this page. And if you want to just applying the style on this particular page, just click on here. Here are different types of themes available here. You can choose anything. Okay. And after changing your theme, you can select different types of text format, which is available in this particular section. You can choose anyone. And if you want to just change the color, just go through this. You can change the color of section like this. If you want to just change the font, just click on. It will appear on whole document, not on the single page. It will appear on the whole document.
Whole document.
If the paragraph spacing, just click on. You can increase, decrease the paragraph spacing between the lines like this manner. And here's the effect. Effect will comes with the shape, not here. Okay, when we use insert shape, then we can easily observe the shape effect. For example, when we click on insert, and here we just add a shape from this and draw a circle. And here we add some effect, 3D effect, a bevel effect you can choose here. And after that, you can easily observe the theme effect on this particular shape. For example, you can easily observe this. It will change or not? It is changing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, little bit change comes in this particular object. Okay, so that is the option of effect. And if you want to just make this default, set as default, it means whenever you just open your document, it will automatically appear the same with your new file of your MS Word. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you any query?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so then just your reference option is, I think, completed, and design also. So just do all the options. If you have any problem, just ask me, or you just make a comment on YouTube videos. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
You too.